Alright everybody, so if this video gets 500 likes, he's going to be buying me the Dark Sport motorcycle jacket. He doesn't know it yet, but it'll happen.
Where are you headed today?
No, I can't do it. Okay, cut.
She looks determined.
Excuse me?
How's it going over there?
It's going. You ready for a ride?
I'm ready for a ride. Which bike you want to take?
This one.
What kind of bike is that?
It's a street glide.
What year?
Cut? I don't know.
21, Street Glide Special. Are you going to drive it?
I am gonna drive it.
You're going to drive it, okay.
Yeah.
It looks like it. Looks like you're ready.
All right.
Hope is going to be taking over.
Your entire YouTube channel, your ride, everything.
Everything. You
Everything.
think you can do it?
I can do it.
Are you nervous?
I'm not nervous.
So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put a camera on Hope's helmet. What do you think?
Looks great.
We're gonna put a camera and then I'll put my microphone that I usually talk into inside of your helmet.
Let's do it.
No problems?
No problems.
I have no idea where we're going and I don't know the topic of the video. So I have no idea what she's gonna be talking about, and we don't have like a Cardo system hooked up or anything like that. So this whole ride, this whole video, I have no idea at all what's gonna be discussed. It's kind of scary for me.
It's scary for me because I don't know either, but we're gonna wing it, so it's gonna be okay.
So I'm gonna find out in post-processing basically, but Hope picked out a place to go. Matter of fact, why don't you put that on my phone and then hit go after you type it in. She's gonna pick wherever we're stopping. I don't have a hint, so we could end up in a dark alley somewhere.
There is a destination in there.
Okay, we've got a destination.
In the vicinity.
So I got my new Iron Coast Supply shirt in. By the way, I just started this company a couple months ago. We've got some really cool shirt ideas, so if you want to support the channel, small business, let me know. I think these shirts are pretty cool. Hope, what do you think?
Yeah, looks
Pretty
good.
sick?
Looks good.
All right. And I've got a hoodie I'm going to be wearing too. I'll put this on for the ride. Iron Coast Supply Co. established 2025. It's pretty sick, right?
Yeah,
It's all right.
looks good.
So we've got to do a fit check on Hope. Hope, what do we got today? Here, let me,
Get out of the sun.
oh, is this the new release?
The new release, Dark Sport.
Hold on, let me get out of your way. Okay. The Dark Sport release.
Looks good.
They did a
My
collab with
fave.
Harley-Davidson, and Hope is obsessed with Dark Sport.
Yeah. So it looks pretty good. It's comfy.
How many of their clothes do you have, you think?
Everything that they
Entire
have.
wardrobe?
Every drop I order. So
Okay.
yeah.
All right.
Got
Rocking
the new
Dark Sport.
helmet.
Got the new helmet on, so we're gonna get set up. Might get a little cooler. What is it, like 60, 68?
My
Almost
car
70?
said 70.
70 degrees.
Yep.
Pretty sweet. She just picked up a Scorpion FX Covert in the gray color. Looks pretty sick. Oh yeah. Small size for a small fry. And then I got this mount thing from Dango on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. But it's cool because I can just, let's see if this works. Does that work?
Yeah.
Clipped in, and then I will drop a microphone. Let's see, you're gonna get the mic 2. So I use the DJI mic 2 with some, let's see if I can focus this. DJI mic 2 with some Velcro on the back, and I have Velcro in her helmet, so let's see if this works. It'll be down there.
I really like that hoodie. Looks great. Yeah, I just kind of picked a place. I hear the snaps. New profile picture, what?
Girl, you better chill.
You better chill.
You better chill.
Whew. All right, so we are taking a ride. This is so weird. Can you even hear me? No? Alright, so I have no idea where we're even going to be going. Somewhere along Madeira, but no idea yet. I feel like I have to whisper so you don't hear me.
No, you don't. I can't hear you.
Alright, talk. Are you talking?
Huh?
Okay. I give Brandon lots of props for doing this because I have no idea how he stays talking this whole time. Alright, so we are heading towards Madeira Beach. Don't really know the restaurants around there, so I just picked a random one. He thinks I have an idea of where we're going, but I have absolutely none, so this should be fun. Testing out my new helmet. It's pretty light so far, not too heavy like my other one. Doesn't even feel like I'm wearing anything. I did get the small because I didn't know. I don't know what he's doing. All that traffic, no thank you. I did have another route for us planned, but the traffic at this time did not make it easy for us to go. So check out his cool new hoodie, Iron Coast. Everyone go like, subscribe. It is so nice compared to the weather lately. The other day at bike night it was freezing, but this is no problem. You're talking away, and I'm really not saying much. But it's okay because he has a microphone on too, so if he needs more content, he can talk. Take it away. Alright everybody, so if this video gets 500 likes, he's going to be buying me the Dark Sport motorcycle jacket. He doesn't know it yet, but it'll happen. So for people who are from the area, what are some good places that you guys like to ride by the water? What are some good new restaurants? We've been trying to hit up new restaurants and new places to go every time we go out, so put it in the comments.
You like your helmet?
Yeah, I feel like I could have, I don't know, maybe it's too light, so maybe which is good, but maybe I needed the extra small inserts.
You could just get the insert, yeah.
How's it going?
Going great.
You got a good storyline going?
Little sunny.
I know, the tinted visor, I feel like isn't doing much, this one.
I mean, it's directly in your face.
Yeah. Not too bad. This traffic. I'm just trying to see the sunset. This is the warmest it's been in weeks when we've been on the bike, so if it's cold in Daytona, I will cry. Jesus. Is it just me, or when you're riding on the back of a Harley, are you constantly moving your head to both sides? I feel like once he places back, he's gonna get dizzy. Because that's all I keep doing, is looking on both sides. I do have a question for any of you female riders. What was the first bike you rode on, and how hard was it to learn how to ride? Because I feel like I would completely crash or fall right off if I even tried to ride it. I should have been way more prepared for this, but we're just winging it, going with the flow. These people, what the hell is he doing? People like that don't pay attention to nothing. Starting to get chillier once the sun's going down. But it's still a really nice ride today, so I'll take it. But 10 out of 10, I will not be doing this again because I give Brennan props on talking the entire ride because I like to just enjoy the scenery and he can just wing it better than I can. So give him props. I really have no idea where this GPS is taking us. And he doesn't either, but I just put something in there, so it says we're 13 minutes away, wherever we're going. Hey. I kind of suck, so...
It's what?
I said I kind of suck, so good thing you're talking too, because
Just talk about how
you need
like,
some content, you know?
Just talk about how you like riding on the back or whatever.
Ow. We need to take some cool pictures by this sunset up there.
Wherever we're going.
I don't know where we're going.
What?
I just kind of threw something in there. So hopefully we make it by sunset.
It's 6 o'clock. If you did the beach, I can't look.
Sunset is...
6:12.
Yeah.
We got some time.
Yeah. Some crumble cookies. Brandon knows that's my place. This wasn't the best route to take for a bike ride, but it'll do. I'm not very familiar with this area over here, but I seen the beach and I said let's go. So here we are. I do have to say, if you are going to be riding on the back of a Harley, to make sure that you're on the back of one who has experience driving, because these drivers out here are brutal. I think we're almost there. It was funny because the other day I was drinking an energy drink before we were going on a ride, and I asked him if he had a cup holder on his bike, and he looked at me like I had 10 heads. So, just to prove something, I want everybody who's watching this to comment if you think cup holders on Harleys are lame or if they're a necessity. He was like, well, how are you going to drink it? And I'm like, through a straw, through my helmet. How other would I drink it? Just in time for the sunset. We've arrived. Yeah, how cute.
This was an old pier that came down in the hurricane.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I've never been over here, I don't think.
Yeah, when they're done, I'll pull the bike up back here. Because you can get like a good sunset. What are you thinking?
I'm cold now.
Cold? Look at this
good,
beautiful sunset though.
It is beautiful. I had my helmet off a minute ago, but then I put it back on, so now.
Yeah. How did you do with your talking?
It could have been better. Definitely think I should have planned more. I was kind of just rambling, but
It's okay.
if you like it, you like it.
That's it. Whatever you want.
My photography.
A little windy.
A little cold. A little. Try my best.
Good job. I'm proud of you. That was a fun little ride. Well, aside from traffic. But this view is, you know, kind of makes it worthwhile. Right? Can't wait till it's warmer a little bit. I'll do it with the sunset in the background. Alrighty. Yes, bathing suits on the beach right now, probably not. But that does sound pretty good. Wow. Well, that was fun. I'm not really sure how the video is going to turn out. We got some decent pictures. And I don't really even know the topic Hope was discussing. But none of that matters. Because we're on a bike. We're having a good time. I'm gonna shut the video down there. It's getting a little chilly, so we're actually gonna head home. Maybe do some DoorDash. Kick our feet up, lay back, hang out. But most of all, we appreciate you watching. And if you're caught in the cold up there, I hope that you continue to ride with us. And appreciate you. If you do ride, remember, keep that rubber side down. Y'all take care. Stay safe out there. Don't blow out your back shoveling snow because that could affect your bike season, just saying. All right. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace. All right.
Ever since I said those words, that just sounds